In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can reset your computer to factory settings. So let's get started. Click on the start button and you have to click on settings. You can also open settings the second way. Right click at the start button and here you have to select settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate system. Scroll down and that you have to look for recovery. And here you'll find the option reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your files, personal files, then reinstall Windows. Click on the reset PC option. And then you have two options on how you can reset your PC. You could have keep my files or remove everything. If you want to keep your files, this will just remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Or the second way, this will remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. If you want to go the second way, make sure to back up all your data, all your files using a USB. And then if you want to go with the first option, then click on that. And here you will be asked how would you like to reinstall Windows. You have cloud download and local reinstall. If you're connected to a or an internet connection, you can go with cloud download, but if not, you can go with local reinstall. So restore apps and settings which came with this PC, reinstall Windows from this device and simply click on next, and that will reset your PC. So you just need to wait for the process to be done and then you'll have your Windows just fresh as brand new. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.